typically when you do a full car audio build, you expect a few teething problems, but when you have something on this scale, with the amount of work that's going into this absolute beast, you can expect them to be beastly as well. That's the wireless charger we got going in. Everything's gonna be custom made for this truck. This is gonna be baller on a different level. These seats from a 7 Series, all custom. The whole dash is gonna be custom wrapped. That's the old frame. This is the very first Hummer Tesla in the whole of the UAE we're installing. We're also now putting Infinity speakers all the way around, and a very special set of speakers as well. 8 sets in total, all amplified and configured. So huge amount of work. Anyone want to go on YouTube, do a 30-minute tutorial and think you can change a head unit? Think again. Ayatollah Audio Direct.